Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Cooking with Mitisha. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make hot chocolate bomb, which is currently everyone's favorite and all over the internet, and really simple and easy to make and perfect for a holiday gift. So let's get started with the video, and if you really enjoy watching my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up and share as much as you can. So let's get started with the recipe. So first of all, we will need chocolate. Compound chocolates are perfect for this recipe. Here I have taken 6 ounces of chocolate and I'm going to melt this in microwave for 30 seconds. And 6 ounces will make 6 to 7 small and 3 to 4 large size chocolate bombs. So after 30 seconds you will feel a little warm, but the chocolate might be not melted, but you don't want to overdo it, so do 30 seconds each time and stir it. As you can see, it already has started melting on the bottom, so give it a stir and do microwave this for another 30 seconds. So I will be back after 30 seconds. This is after another 30 seconds. You want to mix it really well here. Now I'm going to microwave this for 15 seconds only. So this is after 15 seconds. Maintaining a temperature of chocolate is the key at this point. You don't want to heat up so much, or you don't want to be cold that you cannot even shape it. So make sure that you heat it properly. If it's too hot, then you can add some chocolates in it to cool down this. So as you can see, after mixing it properly, my chocolate is nice and smooth and runnier, and it does not have any lumps or any chocolate in it, the whole chocolate or chunky chocolate in it. So this is perfect. Now I have mold here which we are going to use to make our chocolate bombs. I'm just trying to keep it simple, but I do have some golden edible color dust which I'm going to use. So with the help of the brush, I'm going to take this dust, golden color, and just, as you can see here, just do it, dab it. If you want to add water, that's perfect, but I don't want to. I'm just gonna do it dry, it like this. I'm just gonna use it dry like this. I don't want to use water. So as you can see, on the 3 cavity here on the mold, I have added this golden dust, and then these 3 I'm just gonna leave it empty. Now into this each mold we will add our chocolate. Just like that, spread it around evenly. And if you do nice thick coat, then you only have to do once. You don't need to do double coat. So that's why I say don't use too hot chocolate, otherwise it will be much runnier and then it will be hard to give a shape. With the help of the spoon, just swirl around. And why I don't like 2 coats, because if it becomes too thick, then it's hard to break it open into the hot milk. So that's why I don't like too thick. So I did the sides again just to make sure the sides are thick, because what happens if the sides are really thin, and then once this is done and you try to take it out, it will break off on you. So you want to make sure the sides should be thick, so that way it's easy and it doesn't break. I have taken parchment paper here. Now I'm going to put this upside down like this. And now after putting this upside down, you just want to tab it couple of times, so that way any extra chocolates will come off like this. And I will show you here. Look at this. So let it'd be like this. And I'm gonna put this in the fridge to let this cool down. While my mold are chilling in the fridge, I would like to show you the fillings. Here I have some mini marshmallows, and these are pre-mixed hot chocolate powder. You can make it at home or you can use any store-bought one. So this too I'm going to use as a filling. You can also add some peppermint, whatever you like. You just add it. It will be perfect. Make it however you enjoy. So after a few minutes of chilling, about 3 to 5 minutes, let's check. Now carefully I'm going to take out from the mold. Let me zoom in so you can see it properly. You have to be really careful here. So I'm gonna show you one. Go from the sides, release it from the side first. So as you can see, the sides are coming off. Okay. Look at this, nice and shiny. There is one. Look at this with the gold color on top. Isn't it looking so cute? Okay. So let me give you a close-up look. This three on the top with the gold dust or food color, and then this three just the plain one. Here I have hot skillet. You will need hot skillet so that you can seal them and make a smooth edges. So I like them nice and smooth from here, so when you seal the two sides it stick nicely. So for that I'm using hot skillet, and I'll show you what I do. On this I'm just going to put this parchment paper so that way it doesn't get dirty. So first I'm going to do only 3 sides. So put it right there, and as you can see it will start melting. So you don't want to put it for too long. Once these sides are nice and clean, you just want to take it out. I'll zoom it so you can see proper. Now I'll show you this one. Look how this is looking right now. Once I go and run it here, immediately it will become nice and smooth, and you will be able to see the difference already. This three we just nicely smooth the edges, this three we didn't. So these are the 3 of them that we nicely smoothed out. So we are going to fill this with the hot chocolate mix and marshmallow. So put as much as you like or as much as you can fit in here. These are kind of mini, it's not large, they are mini size, so you won't be able to fill so much. Just like this. If you put it so much, then you won't be able to close it, so you want to make sure that you don't do or overfill it. So our bottoms are ready. For the tops, we are going to make it nice and soft top, and then we will seal it right away. So let's do that. I have already sealed my 3 chocolate bombs here, as you can see, and I will show you how I did that. So I have extra one here. I just love how shiny they are. So now I already fill up this one, the bottom one. We are going to do the same thing with the top, which I did same thing with this top ones. Just gonna melt and smooth the edges. So let's do that here. Once it's nice and melted, you just wanna seal them together just like this and press it for a few seconds. As soon as the chocolate will cool down, it will seal it. So wait for a few seconds. And then once this cool down, you can reuse it, and this is nice and clean. You don't even have to clean that. So this you reuse it. Here are all my 4 chocolate bombs are ready. Now, moment of truth. In this cup, I'm gonna fill up with hot milk, and then we are going to drop in our hot chocolate bomb. All right, so first I'm gonna pour in some hot milk. Yeah, that much, and then drop in, and then add more. Watch. In a few seconds, it will crack open. Give it a stir. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want to support to my channel, then make sure to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to watch all other videos listed right here, and like this video and share this video with your friends and family. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.